power is very, very sensitive. Power cannot be interrupted. So you must be very careful with your power. So when he touches me here, you see here, this power gets jammed. It does not like that. And can you see? Power is here, here, here. It has to go over him, and if it goes too far, too far, it's lost. Too close, it jams. It has to see, can you see that space there? So power is described as not on your body, not outside of your body. Now do you understand where power must be? Do you know where?
In space.
Pardon me?
In space.
Space is outside of your body. Where is power?
Not on your body, not outside of your body.
Yeah, and where is that space placed?
Feet.
No. Yes.
The space between.
And
Surface.
where is that?
Surface, skin.
That's the end.
That place is for Earth, the orbit. Outside of the orbit is deep space. Inside the orbit, it's pulled back onto Earth. So the relationship between Earth and outside, there's a layer. That layer is orbit. It's suspended in free traveling, independent of Earth, but not away from Earth. It's part of Earth, but Earth does not pull it anymore. Your body has that position. And that position is very, very special. Once you're there, your opponent is dead, because your opponent cannot feel your move anymore. Too close he can feel, too far he can feel. Because too far he feels you're gone. You're not part of him anymore.
There's a middle way?
Huh?
There's a middle way?
It's the orbit. I'll show you the feeling right here. Too close, too far. Right here, right. There is nothing you can do. When I go into that, it can be anywhere, right? Too close. You feel that here? Too far. See that spot, you have no power. So immediately, when you see that spot, you have no power. So the training sets you to that place. You see this here? Too far.
Right.
Too close.
Right.
See that place? That's why I say it's like take your shirt off. Before you take it off, it's still part of you.
Right.
But it's not on you anymore. But your shirt is not here. Now you understand? It's not off. Although it's not touching you, it's not off. But off means I take it off, I hold in here.
Right,
It's not
right.
part of the body. This is not, and it is. So that's the space. So our movement, you see here, it's right here.